welcome to this BaconBits video on installing the macOS agent. Let's get started by opening up our administration tab, then going over to endpoints, and then the agents tab up here. Here we can see the agent installers for various operating systems, and for macOS we want to choose the one right here that says macOS and click on it to download. Once downloaded, you'll get a zip file like this, so I'll pulse over onto our VM and we'll switch over there. On the Mac, I've pulled the installer into our downloads directory, and after double clicking on the zip, you'll get a macOS folder, and inside you'll find a PKG and a shell script. To install the agent, we want to run the shell script. If we just do the PKG, it will install part of the agent, but it won't connect back to anything. If I open this shell script in TextEdit, you can see here that we're referencing our FQDN, then we have a small script to call that PKG and make some config files for us. So to run the script, we'll open up our terminal. Then I want to go to my downloads directory and that macOS folder. Then from here, we'll type in sudo bash and install.sh. The install itself will take a couple seconds, so I'll fast forward to the end so we can see what that looks like. Once we see the install was successful, and the service has a PID, we can move back to our server. On the endpoints page, we'll go over to keys. In this table, you can see I have my Mac Mini already available here. If yours is not, just go ahead and refresh this page a couple times. It may take a few minutes before it gets the accepted state and the FQDN is clickable here. And so, as you can see, our endpoint is ready to manage in Bacon. Thanks for joining us in this BaconBits video, and we'll see you next time.